Hi dear friends and viewers, welcome back to our channel KUMAR Basics of Physics. Dear friends, in this video I am going to explain another most important 4 marks question in the chapter of thermal properties of matter, and it's a very easy too, so much of easy. The question is, explain Celsius and Fahrenheit scales of temperature, obtain the relation between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So already we know what is the thermometer. It is a device that should be used to the temperature. Clear? So what is the Celsius scale and what is the Fahrenheit scale? So dear students, to measure the temperatures, there are three kind of scales are there. One is Celsius, next one is Fahrenheit, and next one is Kelvin scale. So these are the three measurements should be taken by using three thermometers to measure the temperature. Okay. Now here in this question only we are going to discuss about the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Clear? In the manufacture of the thermometer, here first they can be taken as the 2 points. One should be called as the lower fixed point LFP, lower fixed point. Generally the lower fixed point is nothing but ice point or freezing point of water. Freezing point of water should be taken as the lower fixed point. So this is now LFP. Clear? And this is the top one is the UFP, upper fixed point. Upper fixed point. For every thermometer there are two fixed points are there. One is the lower fixed point and one is the upper fixed point. And the length between these 2 points should be calibrated to the equal parts. That is the general calibration or construction of the thermometer. In any thermometer, 2 points are there. One is the LFP and one is the UFP. LFP is what? Ice point or freezing point, at which point the water is going to be converted into the liquid state to the solid state. That should be what we call ice point. And what is meant by here upper fixed point, at which temperature the liquid is converted into the vapor, especially water. That means simply what is boiling point. Boiling point can be taken as the upper fixed point. Boiling point BP, boiling point of water, should be taken as the upper fixed point. And the length between the remaining length between these 2 points should be calibrated to the number of equal parts. That is the general construction of the thermometer. Now in Celsius scale how it is there, and in Fahrenheit scale how the readings are taken. Let's see here. Now first one is the Celsius scale, and I am going to take this is the upper fixed point, lower fixed points in different thermometers. So first one is the Celsius scale and next one is the Fahrenheit scale. Clear? Lower fixed point and this is what? Upper fixed point. For Celsius scale, 0 degree Celsius is the lower fixed point, and upper fixed point is what? 100 degrees Celsius. In Celsius scale, lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius and upper fixed point is the 100 degrees Celsius. And the remaining length between these two should be divided into the 100 equal parts. So how many parts? 100 equal divisions. Then 1 degree is what? 1 degree Celsius. Clear? So this is simply about the Celsius scale. In Celsius scale, lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius and upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius, and the length between these two should be divided into the 100 equal parts, and each one is taken as 1 degree Celsius. And similarly here for Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit and upper fixed one is 212. Clear? And the remaining length should be divided into the 180 equal parts, 180 equal parts or equal divisions. Clear? Then what is 1 division is equals to 1 degree Fahrenheit, 1 degree Fahrenheit. So this is simply about the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So now we have to obtain the relation between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So both are used the same reading or different reading, and how there is the relation between these two measurements. Let's hear. So children, to convert the temperatures from one scale to the another scale, there is one general formula, it is there. So that's, if you can remember just that one, here I am going to, this is scale 1. Scale 1 minus LFP. LF means what? Lower fixed point, by UFP minus LFP is equals to scale 2 minus lower fixed point by, and difference of upper fixed point and lower fixed point. So this is the general formula to derive the relation between the any two measurement scales. Clear? So here scale 1 is, I am going to take here Celsius now. C means what? Celsius. In Celsius, lower fixed point what is 0 and upper is what? 100. Then what at here? C minus 0 by 100 minus 0. And scale 2 is what? Fahrenheit. That is, I am going to mention, that is F minus lower fixed what is 32 and upper is 212 minus 32. Then what do you get here? C by 100 is equals to F minus 32 by here 180. 2 minus 2 0. 11 minus 3 8. And 1 is there. 180. So 0 0 cancel now. Then C by 10 is equals to F minus 32 by 18. 2 5s are 2 9s are. Then C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. So from that what you have read, children? C is equals to 5 by 9 of F minus 32. So this is the one formula. C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. If you can take 5 that side, then what write? 5 by 9 of F minus 32. Clear? So this is the one type of formula. And next we have another formula also there. Same thing here. You will write from this one. 9C is equals to 5 of F minus 32. Then what right here? 9C by 5. 9C by 5 is equals to F minus 32. Then F is equals to what? 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So this is another relation between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. So this is the information about the children. Very short answer question. 4 marks question. Clear? This is the what? Relation between the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale relation. So children, I hope you understand. If you can understand this one, like, share, comment the video and share our channel to your friends also. మన ఛానల్లో మనకి ప్లేలిస్ట్ చెక్ చేయండి. ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్లేలిస్ట్కి చాప్టర్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అది ఓపెన్ చేస్తే చాప్టర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని వీడియోస్ కూడా దాంట్లో ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఏ వీడియో కావాలో చూసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మీకు ఆ వీడియోస్ అర్థమైతే ఖచ్చితంగా మన ఛానల్ నుంచి వేరే వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేసుకోండి. అది నాకు చాలా బూస్టింగ్ ఇస్తుంది. దానివల్ల నేను కొత్త కొత్త వీడియోస్ చేస్తాను. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఎంసెట్ నీట్ వీడియోస్ కూడా ఎక్కువ అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.